Imagine needing to check your engine, but your car's bonnet just won't budge. Hi, I'm here to help you understand your car bonnet won't open. First, let's check the obvious. Sometimes the release lever inside your car doesn't engage properly. Make sure you're pulling it all the way back. If that doesn't work, it could be the cable. Over time, it can stretch or even snap. This means the lever won't do its job. Next, let's talk about the latch. Dirt, rust, or lack of lubrication can make it stick. A quick spray with some lubricant might solve the problem. Another reason could be the bonnet alignment. If it's misaligned, the latch won't catch correctly. You might need a mechanic to adjust it. Finally, if you're still stuck, it could be a more complex issue. In that case, it's best to consult with a professional. So remember, check the lever, inspect the cable, clean the latch, and consider the alignment. I hope this helps you get back on the road. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.